Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to Everyday with me, Nick. I've got you on a selfie stick. Get a bit more zoom, bit more focus, I don't know, aspect of footage in here. So yeah, this video is going to be me on the Global Recycling Solutions stand at the APF Show. And you can see in the background there an 8-ton Sani excavator. I've got my cup of hot chocolate here from McDonald's, lovely. That's where I've been operating this weekend for the APF Show 2022, and yeah, I've been using that to load them logs in the background there. Some of them are absolutely big behemoth logs, unbelievable. So yeah, we've got the Sani there with the log grapple on it. I'll show you what I've been running whilst I've been here, and what I think of what I've been running. But honestly, I've just thoroughly enjoyed the full show. I mean, I have been very, very busy talking with potential customers already, you know, current customers and other folk who have got sawmills, and they're just everyone is just, you know, really appreciative of talking to them and everything. So it's good. So yeah, what have we got? So we've got obviously the Frontier mill behind me, and you all know what that one is because I've got that. That is the Frontier OS27, and I've been running that as demo. Get out of this tunnel a little bit. I've been running that as a demo, so I know what that's about, and yeah. So that's that. The next one we've been running is, try and spin you round. Is the Norwood LM29 V2, but it is advertised as the LM30 now. So I've been running that, and you know what, guys, I actually like that mill. I actually like this mill. I think I may upgrade to a Norwood at some point. But yeah, 30 inch capacity cut. Guide rollers for the band. I like that. That's you know, I don't mind the blocks, but I like the rollers better. Still a pain to set up, but it was okay. But yeah, that's the LM30 from Norwood, and yeah, I would seriously think about upgrading the mill to a Norwood. Then on to the next mill. This is what I've been running probably 80% of the time I've been here, and this is the Norwood Mills Lumber Max HD 38, and I kid you not, I'm actually falling in love with this mill. I'm actually falling in love with this mill. So where I'm, you know, I'm running it, and I'm thinking, you know, full hydraulic package on this, maybe put a trailer package on. I'm not quite sure, and I think I've got myself a deal. I just love how this mill runs. It's absolutely lovely, absolutely lovely. Fortunately, on the stands, we've got the rest of the lineup, or you know, in viewing area. people can come in and see what it's all about. So yeah, that's been the Norwood Mills Lumber Max HD 38. These jack stands on the side making leveling this mill an absolute breeze. I was done in about 5 minutes, whereas with the two behind me, the LM30 and the Frontier OS27, that took me roughly 2 hours each time to set them mills up. So yeah, not ideal, but it was all right. We got it. I made this table just to show people what it can do. You know why you're buying a mill and what you're going to do with it. I made a stack of timber here. All needs to go on the mill to get ripped down. There's just loads of stuff. Yeah, 4x2s there and some stickery type materials. What do you reckon to me little feature, guys? Go on the other side so you can see it better. So yeah, I wanted to make a feature log for everyone that's passing by to see. You know, just overkill really. It has no meaning, like no use, but yeah. So I'll put that down. So yeah, here's the HD 38, the Lumber Max from Norwood, with the full trailer package, the road legal trailer package on it. And yeah, the log's a little bit too big actually, because it would need trimming down, but yeah, these log stops, they're quite different to what I've been used to working with. They work well, and them rollers make life look so much easier for rolling the log. And I know that because Jerry, I know you'll watch this at some point, but you've installed rollers to yours and you've never looked back. So not too super keen on these. They're a very weird clamp. They haven't got a foot like a crazy clamping force on them, so I'm not too sure how I feel on them. But yeah, that's the HD 38, and this one has the power feed head motor, electric motor there, and that's just controlled via these. Over here we have something that really piqued my interest on Wednesday, and I'll show you the 36 first. So we've got the HD 36 V2, which is there with the full trailer package on again, and yeah, very similar, just obviously a lesser cut. But look at them ceramic guide blocks. But to be honest, guys, I think that these are customizable. I think they've made this like this so that this shaft can be took out and the guide wheels be installed instead. So I quite like that, and I quite like these mills. We've got a deep throat, you know, and well, the HD 38's got a much bigger depth of cut, allowing you to get that bigger cut. So yeah, I'm liking it. So yeah, guide blocks on this one, ceramic guide blocks. Everything's pretty much similar. Then we have the LM30, which Lumberman MN26, which I would kind of say that one's very similar to the OS27. So again, nice mill, right? This doesn't make sense to me. It's a lovely mill, but it has guide wheels on this one, whereas the other one doesn't. But if you just look in there, that shaft that's just there on my end of my finger looks like that is the shaft to accommodate, you know, that's on the other one, on the HD36. So I think it can be upgraded. But yeah, it's nice overall. Then we have the Frontier OS27. A lot of people have been interested in this kind of model for smaller scale stuff. Obviously the log that we've got on there at the moment is quite big. It would cut it though. Actually, that is actually 23 inch on the end there. So yeah. So there's that one, and then we obviously have the Frontier OS31. And again, not a lot of difference in these compared to the OS27. So pretty much all the same running, apart from I have noticed the where you mount this is just slightly different. So you've actually got push handles kind of thing, and then you've also got a adjustable tilting handle. So yeah, it's still got the terrible scale on it. But yeah, that's the range of sawmills that Global Recycling Solutions has got in. All in stock for these guys. Andy, I'm going to try and get some footage with him later, but Andy he's doing a good job on keeping the stock levels quite high for us in the UK. I know some customers in America are struggling with Norwood and Frontier, but it doesn't seem to be the case over here in the UK. So yeah, I'm not going to babble on anymore. I'm actually going to get you guys set up with the camera to see me running the HD38. It's just nice. It's got the auto lube system. It's got that power feed head. Hasn't got power feed for the travel, but it's okay. We're used to pushing a manual mill. So yeah, thanks very much for watching this bit. I think we're going to have a long one on this video, just because there's going to be quite a little bit of stuff going on. So thanks for sticking with me. Welcome to APF Show 2022. It's actually the last day today, but it's just the way it's gone. I've been that busy. So right guys, take it easy. Right guys, we've got a log on the mill here. It's 22.5 on the small end, which is about 570. "24 inches on the big end, which is about 600. So we're going to make some 42s with this, and yeah, we're just going to rip them down, get them milled. Hopefully we won't have too many people stopping us. So let's have it, guys. Alright, so we've been running mills in and out of the day really, and we're going to run the LM30 behind me. I'm going to just get the 2-inch slab cuts that I've took off everything milled down to 4x2s, true 4x2s. Just the HD38 is just turning them down into a slab, and then I'm bringing them over onto the LM30 to finish off. Kind of a weird process, but people want to see all the mills running. So yeah, that's what we're doing, and let's fire it up and let's get some boards cut. All right, guys. Right guys, the day's done. We are done for APF 2022, or every day with me Nick's done. Wow, what a day. What a day. But listen, what a 3 days, to be honest. It's been absolutely bedlam. I've met some fantastic people here. They have been just unbelievable. People who want to buy mills, people who have already got mills, people who are sharing their stories, their experiences. Just absolutely phenomenal. And these mills, this mill behind me, I hope Laura doesn't see this because I'm upgrading to the HD38. You know, it's crackers. So the the LM30 was even a nice mill as well, that's just there in the background. And yeah, very impressive, very impressive. Probably definitely going to look into this mill in the future, you know, and see about upgrading. So yes, that's that. But yeah, I'll just take you for a stroll around and show you what's going on. Andy's probably struggling here, so I'm going to go and help him. Well, got some timber milled up, lots of timber, not fully finished yet though. So we've got the 23 here, 31 over there, the MN26, HD38 on a trailer package, HD36 on the trailer package. How are you doing? Did you need it on there?
I would have them big ones.
Yeah. So everybody, this is Andy in the flesh, and we're just frantically, pedantically getting everywhere, all over, because we're just trying to get packed down a little bit. These guys are under time constraint to get off the field for Wednesday, and there's a lot of gear on this show field, on this plot for these guys. So this is what we've been using to load the mills. And yeah, it makes the job easier, but it's very you know, an excavator isn't always the right tool, nor is it easy. So yeah, he's going to get out of here and put the logs on where the rest of them are. But yeah, oh, I forgot to show you this earlier, guys. This is the Norwood mills, sawmills. Go on, you're clear there, Andy. So this is the log moulder, and just as you can see on the picture there, that's how you'd make your notch cuts in the for making log cabins. Love to see one of these running. Love to make something with them. They come with a range of knives as well to shape the log, so that's quite good. Definitely going to look into them and see what they do, you know, and see what people are saying about them. Might be something that I might invest into in the future. But yeah, so listen guys, I'm gonna try and get finished up and whatnot, and get just try and get going, because yeah, we're gonna be busy tonight. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. I'm sorry I've not got anything else involved in this video, but it's been absolutely crackers, and I'm just in love with that HD38 now. So yes, it is what it is. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great time whatever you're doing. Leave something in the comments if you know what you think. Is there any Norwood mills, Norwood sawmill owners out there? Give me your opinion, see what you say, see what you think. Well, I'm impressed with the HD38 V2.
Right folks, ciao for now.